available with, as far as preparation for this examination is concerned. Dr.
Thank you very much, Sarath sir. Thank you for your nice, quick
welcome.
review about how to appear in the exam. Again, in subsequent 20 minutes, I will be talking about what is energy audit examination according to me. I have some fundamentals which are different from Sarath sir, so that also I will discuss. And what this platform, that is Irgo e-learning, is offering and how it can be helpful. That discussion I will have. I will try to conclude my session within 20-22 minutes. My introduction is already given by Sarath sir, and I am into this field since last 25 years. 3 years I am working on my own as an energy consultant as well as green building consultant. I'm also doing energy modeling for other these things. Why I'm into this field? Because around 12 years back, I wrote this book that is with McGraw-Hill publication, Handbook on Energy Audit. So then we did some industrial audit along with students and faculties. So that brought me into this field. And since last 15 years, I can say that I'm dedicatedly working in this field. That is my background. Now, friends, as you have already applied for this examination, so you all know what is BEE and how it is governed. So I can skip this fundamentals. Bit about BEE. BEE has got multiple verticals, and this examination is one part of it. Apart from that, there is ECBC code launched in 2017, and based on that, there is going to be exam on energy audit. Again, they have DSM, that is demand side management program. They are supporting ISCOs. They are having PAT scheme, that is perform, achieve and trade scheme. They are performing energy conservation awards every year, and the companies who are taking some initiatives, they are getting this award. Their very well-known program by all laymen or all Indian population is their standard and labeling, which is helping lot many peoples to understand what is energy consumption, and based on that, how to select different appliances. They are also working on climate change and other issues. And right now we are on this platform because we have applied, or we are here to help you on energy manager or energy audit examination. Well, friends, you know by this time what is the difference between energy manager and energy auditor. As you have already applied, you know how experience difference is there, or what graduation difference is called for. Basically, manager can be involved in maintenance and control, while auditor's role will be to perform the audit. They can analyze, survey, report, and then they can certify. That is a difference. And always it is like that before being auditor, first step is to become manager, and then in a year advance, you become energy auditor. 4 books that you might have received or you might have downloaded from the site. If you don't know, I'll put this link in the chat box so that you can download this latest versions of these guidebooks. These guidebooks are wonderful books. Using them, you can learn lot many things about energy audit. And please keep these books with you forever, because not only for exam, for many industrial applications, many energy conservation methods, these books will be helpful, and they are kind of perpetual books with you. If we just talk about exam, then exam, as sir said, that there are 4 papers, and first paper is about general aspects of energy and management. Second talks about thermal. Third talks about electrical utilities. And fourth one is case studies or numericals, which are based on first 3 papers. I'll say that most of us are working either in thermal field or in electrical field, and some of us are there in purely management field. So in the field which we are master, like if you are working with the boiler, or if you are working with the plant automation, then you might be good with the thermal one. And over there, you might need to work on electrical one, or you might need to brush up the first fundamentals. So whenever you are preparing, you have to identify where your weak area is. Weak area doesn't mean that you don't know fundamentals. You have already studied all of this. You have already faced it at one or other part of your life. But it might be a case that since it is you have not touched those fundamentals and you have forgotten. So you need to revise, or you need to give more attention to that subject which you are not working since last 5 years. Again, there is no one time solution or a one sentence solution, because we know that all applicants are from different fields. Some of you might have 3 to 5 years of experience, and others can be as good as 25-30 years of experience. So there is no punchline, or there is no standard procedure to clear the examination. It is kind of a tailor-made process, always varies from one to one. But when you follow the fundamentals, most likely it is going to be a case that you will be able to crack the final exams. There are no shortcuts and there is no free lunch in the world. Always you need to work hard, and please give at least 2 hours of time span a day, because we know that this time there is not 3-4 months of time span given. We are just given 50 days of time span around. So you have to utilize it. You have to make a schedule that how you will be covering these 4 papers, so that maximum utilization of your time takes place. And do the subject twice where you are not confident. If you are not from electrical one, do that twice, or if you are not from thermal one, do that twice. Because not only fundamentals, there are lot many formulas, lot many calculations involved, which calls for repeat of the subject or the content. Now, where this Ergo e-learning can be helpful to you, we are into this energy management courses on Udemy and on some international platforms. We are there since 1 year, but just before 15 days, we have launched our own Indian version, which is available to all Indians. So on that, we have launched different packages. So these packages are based on energy subjects, like first subject, that is general energy management. And as mentioned by Sarath sir, most of the important topics are covered in package 1. Just like that, important topics related to thermal utilities, they are covered in package 2. And package 3 will have electrical utilities. So you can select either of the package. If you are good with thermal one, don't go for it. You can just go with the electrical one, or vice versa. You can select and then finally opt for it. Again, there is inbuilt quiz is available. So if you have worked for 10-15 days for one subject, say for example, you have prepared for thermal utilities, then you can take this quiz. Benefit of this quiz is you can take it for multiple time. There are 250 questions. You can attend 50 questions today, 100 questions tomorrow, or you may repeat all of them for a couple of times based on your performance achieved. So that is the advantage. So when you will go for the quiz, and all these are at a very, very bottom price, 250 rupees per course is a price. So when you opt for the quiz, you will get such screenshot wherein you can select that a question given that increasing the impeller diameter in a pump, and then there are 4 options. So you have to identify the correct option. If your option is correct, it will be identified or marked over here. And at the end of the quiz, you will get the summary that you did 1/10, 18th wrong and remaining are right. So analysis will be brought to you at the end of the quiz. And again, you can keep on doing again and again. So you can practice a lot on that. What are the benefits of Ergo e-learning? Not like webinars or classes, which are one-time process. These are perpetual courses. Once taken, they will be there with you forever. Suppose you are working in the field of compressor and you bought a course on compressor, that course is going to be with you forever. It's a lifetime access arrangement. So again, you can use it just for exam and beyond the exam. We are not with the very short vision that clear the exam and forget it. Our motto is learn, elevate, and learn that perpetually. So whatever you are learning, that will help you definitely for the exam and beyond the examination whenever you are working in that field. Other advantages are there, like you can have a multiple revision of same course. If you are not good with the pump, you can repeat pump for 10 times. And if you are good with the boiler, skip the boiler. You don't need to go for that. As just mentioned, there is a multiple attempt of quiz. There is a question answer support inbuilt is there. There is a chat box. Any time of the day, even at midnight, you can put a question whenever our support. As just said, all courses are starting just at 250 rupees or 300 rupees. So which is just nothing. What we need is, we need a spread. Maximum people should learn. They should get advantage. There is a freedom to select the course. Among 22 courses, you can select one course or you can select all of them. It all depends on you. So it's a lifetime or learning experience. Earning is not the motto of this site. Just you should get the maximum benefit and the learning. Because once you are saving energy, you are ultimately saving a lot for the nation. And in totality, we are making some benefit to the nation. Our main motto is save the world, save the energy. Courses have a multiple benefits, like they have got lot many animations, all minute details, fundamentals, numericals, recommendations, thumb rules. Suppose you are working in HVAC, then you just need to go on the last few slides, which covers these recommendations and thumb rules. So they will be talking about how to have energy saving achieved in HVAC field. So some glimpses of the courses are there in few slides. Like you have a pump course, then pump has all type of pumps explained with animation. So if you don't need to go with the 2D diagram and then understand it, by directly having working animation, you can refresh what you have earlier studied before couple of years. Again, colored diagrams, flow rates, flow charts, multiple things are used so that on a first glance, you can conceive the concept and you can understand it very well. So these are the glimpses of compressor course. So animations are there, numericals, solved numericals are there. As a course material, previous year question paper solved numericals are there, and practice objectives are also there. Like for HVAC, when you are opting, there are how HVAC system works. All these diagrams are explained one by one in detail so that those who are not with the particular field can always revise. And for all technical systems which are there in BEE exams, these courses are available. Those who are working with steam and steam distribution, steam traps, their types are there with their animation, with the selection. So not only for exam, it will be useful to you perpetually whenever you are working with the steam trap or any similar applications. For a chapter, each chapter, there is a course-wise distribution given like this, that in 5th examination, when steam chapter was there, it has a 24 mark of weightage. And for 90th examination, there was a 25 marks of weightage. So this also helps you that how much contribution to be given. As just mentioned that Sarath sir, that some chapters are important. So same contribution, even for past paper, that is also given in some of the courses. Again, this is the slide view for a boiler course. For insulation and refractories also, details are given. Waste heat recovery, different arrangements, different methods to have waste heat recovery achieved, that is done. So this was all about what is there in Ergo e-learning. Again, to revise, like there are very short videos, easy to understand video. Each video is almost of time of 10 minutes. So if you are sitting in a plant having a 10-15 minute of time break, you can cover up one video. You can play even at midnight. There is no time constraint that you have to give evening 6 to 7 or afternoon 2 to 3 like that. Whenever you have a gadget with you, any type of gadget, you can achieve that. Almost more than 100 videos are there on this Ergo e-learning platform. Animations are there for almost all engineering systems. Easy to understand. Question bank support is there. Thumb rules are there. Right now, we have courses for BEE energy examination as well as green building exams. So those who are appearing for IGBC, they can also take the help. We are coming up with the energy modeling, as well as whenever there will be announcement of building energy examination, we are working on those courses also. So that also will be announced very shortly. This is what we have achieved. This is a very proud moment for us. On our international platform, there is more than 1,000 students around. And we have launched this Indian version on 15th January. So even in a 20 days of time span, we have got 57 learners. So these are almost, they are appearing for BEE energy audit examination. And these are international and from all world around. You can register on this course. I have already enclosed what are the courses in my first email. So you can go through that. Again, my and Sarath sir's contact details are there with you. You can always come back to us for any difficulty. It is not that once you are taking the course, then only there will be a support. As just that we are here to promote the engineers, those who are working in the field of energy. So whether you are taking the course or not, we are always there with you. And this is all from our end. Let us have the session of question answers. If any of you have any particular question, we can have them. You can please type them in the chat box so it will be easier for read and then to answer. Thank you.
I will request all the participants to put up the questions, and
Mr. Rakesh Dafade has
appreciate whatever Dr. Sonal has prepared. Yeah, good morning. That's all.
no, he has asked for webinar recording. On the same link, webinar recording will be available. Once editing, I will put it by today evening. This recording will be available to all of you.
Dr. Sonal Desai has prepared this whole material style. This is for the first time I have seen such a elaborate method, and with animations and with I think if one subscribe for this complete course, which is inclusive of examination paper, questions, as well as quiz, and prepare EQ section, I think it is quite economical to go for this. So my suggestion would be to and if you need her any assistance to subscribe to any of the courses, it will definitely bring lot of confidence. My suggestion. Anybody giving any chat?
Yes, sir.
Question?
There are. Let me share.
Please.
Gaurang Bhatt has said that no. Mr. Bapun Mishra has asked about recordings of the webinar, so it will be shared as just said. Then Mr. Gaurang Bhatt said that I am first time going for CEM. I would like to join Ergo e-learning for help to crack this exam as well as for the lifetime. How many modules I should enroll? Mr. Gaurav, I'll say that you can register with any course. If you want to build the confidence, you can start with simple one course of boiler or pump. One course itself will give you a confidence that yes, you are the right hand. And later on, you can register for the package. There is nothing like once registering for one course, you cannot come back for the package. You can register for any, and the email which I have sent has got all the details about the course. There is Mr. Prince who is writing how to solve any numerical problem. Sarath sir, would you like to answer? Sarath sir?
Yes.
Would you like to answer?
I can.
Mr. Prince has asked that
Okay.
how to solve any numerical problem.
Yeah, I have to crack the numerical problems. Only one method is there, and that is the repetitive exercise you do yourself. So 5 years question papers are available. So if you solve one question paper a day, then you have 5 in solve all the papers of one paper. So that way for 3 papers you need hardly 15 days, and you can repeat once again.
Thank you, sir.
You have repeated all the questions two times. So, and in addition, for the exercise on MCQ, you e-learning program, and very easily you get 750 questions for all the three papers. So those practice as much as you score 50 out of 50, and that should be your target. Any next question? Rachna is
How to
how
tackle
to.
for objectives to cover maximum marks? Only previous exam objectives are sufficient to risk in a last.
Yeah,
Shall I answer, sir, or you are adding?
yeah, please.
Rachna, I will advise that stick to fundamentals. Once you are good with fundamentals, you need not to go with any such shortcuts, right? If you are good at fundamentals, even if you have not gone for previous papers, but if you are good, you can easily have 50% of the paper breakthrough, right? Sarath sir will say that we contradict a bit on this aspect, but again, as always, like as we age, we have different of opinions. So it all depends, but my advice is go with fundamentals. Mandar, Mr. Mandar is telling that thank you for the webinar. I want to crack EM exam this time. Definitely you will be able to do it, right? If you have a passion, if you are contributing the time, then there is nothing word like a failure. You are going to crack it this time. Mr. Chaudhary, or I don't know, Miss or Mr. Chaudhary is asking that approximately
Mr.
how much time would be required to put in to study your course for all 4 papers during March 21? Sir, how do you advise about the time?
If you are doing job, you have limited opportunity. So in that case, dedicating some hours every day may be difficult. That you please maintain continuity. It is not that one day you do some study and next 3 days you don't do any study. So continuity should be half an hour, 1 hour or 2 hours, but it should be done every day, so that you're mentally practiced to do it again. Otherwise, will make you to break again. So my advice would be that develop your habit of continuity, and that continuity will definitely.
Mr. Bapun,
I have no objection as far as fundamentals. Yeah, please.
Mr. Bapun Mishra is asking that I have gone through your paper 2. It consists of 5 chapters only. What are the other subjects? Heat exchanger is already prepared, so it will be added by Wednesday, this Wednesday. And cogeneration is under the pipeline, so by next Wednesday, probably you will get it. Right? Because each course requires almost 10 days of preparation and editing time. So we are almost done with all the courses. And one more thing, if you are buying a package, say thermal utility, if you are buying, then whatever comes under thermal utility, that is free of cost for you. It is not a case that course added under the package of thermal utility will be charged additionally, right? So if today 5 courses are there and tomorrow there will be 7, you are eligible for 7. Mr. Syed is asking what is the cost of total package? Total package with quiz is costing 4,000 rupees. An individual package has a costing of 1,000 rupees per paper. Same question is there. How many hours per day continued study? So I guess we have already answered that question.
Should spare for this.
Right?
And at this stage, why I am doing this exercise for giving guidance, reason that all whatever I'm talking is out of my own experience.
True, sir.
And that way, in last 3-4 years, I am contacting with. So whatever we are talking is not because of our expertise on energy audit or expertise on any particular process. For India and abroad in steel plant, aluminum plant, and in South Korea with Hyundai Heavy Industries, offshore engineering. So I have seen all sorts of engineering equipments. More than about 35, 40 years experience. But when I applied for this examination, wrongly, I will say again, wrongly, I appeared for all the 4 papers. Submission. I am not expert and I'm not sort of a outstanding person. Maybe you can consider. So I failed in all the 4 paper in first attempt. I appeared again for the 4 papers and I passed 3 papers. And next year I dedicated minimum 2 months. I put for paper 4 to clear. So whatever I am talking is out of my own experience. Otherwise, with overconfidence, it is very easy to fall prey of the situation. Unfortunately, this exam is different, and technology has gone up, and this examination pattern need to change to live with this. Madam Sonal, you can go ahead with next question.
I guess, sir, we have covered all the questions, and our contact details are there with the all participants. So they can anytime ping us on email. And I thank you, Sarath sir, for joining this wonderful session to educate all about how to appear for BW Energy Audit Examination. And now subsequent sessions, there is some chat there. Mr. I'm not able to. Jaipal. Jaipal is asking, Madam, can you please elaborate chapter-wise mark percentage for paper 2? Okay, we'll share it on your email. Right now, it is not there, but I'll definitely share chapter-wise contribution of this.
Okay.
So I take this and I conclude this session on this note. If you are looking further for any such webinar,
Thank you, Dr. Sonal. And
once again, wish you all the best to all the participants, and I wish that you are able to pass it and next time join us to help others to prepare for that.
So, Dr. Sonal, and yeah.
Thank you, Sarath sir, and thank you, madam.
Thank you very much.
Guidance here.
And whatever is our advice, you will review on that and you will take your own action. What way you should go. And I will tell you that every week Sunday with different experts and different stylings. So whosoever wants to continue, please fill up my so that I will make you attend this program. Any questions are there, please come to us anytime or to Dr. Sonal. And lastly, I will advise program prepared by Dr. Sonal and take benefit out of it. Such a economical and wonderful preparation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. And I believe that we will work together in future also.
Sure, sir.